Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'm preparing donuts and let's get started. And we do have our ingredients here. I used 2 cups of wheat flour, a half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of blue band, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 cup of warm water. So first of all, I started by adding all the dry ingredients into my wheat flour. Then I mixed them properly. So after that, I added the egg and the blue band. Then again mixed them properly. Then you can now add water. After mixing everything properly, you can now add water. So add water little by little till you form a soft and smooth dough. So here's our dough. So apply cooking oil into your dough. Then you can cover it for 30 minutes and let it rise. After the 30 minutes, you have our dough here. We are going to roll it into a big circle so that we can make our donut shapes. And if you haven't subscribed into my channel, kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment, and share this video. After you're done rolling that circle, so I used a glass and a bottle in making my donut shapes. So you can choose anything circular to make your donut shapes, but as for me, I used a glass and a bottle. So I did that to all the donuts. After you're done cutting your donuts, cover again for 15 minutes. And after the 15 minutes, it's time to deep fry our donuts. So make sure your heat is on a medium rate so that your donuts cannot burn. After the bottom part gives you that brown color, flip into the other side. So after flipping, give them like 3 minutes, then you can now remove them. So we are now making our chocolate syrup, and I used icing sugar 1 tablespoon, and cocoa powder, I used ivory cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. So add everything and mix it properly. Make sure they're well mixed. After the cocoa powder and the icing sugar are well mixed, we are going to add a little amount of water, then mix it properly till it becomes thick. We have our chocolate syrup here. So what we're going to do, we are going to dip just one side of our donut into our chocolate syrup, then place them somewhere so that they can dry. And if you really enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. So here are our chocolate donuts. Till next time, bye.